Hello, welcome to this time's acting workshop where you can learn how to act. For this time's topic, let's talk about feel fully and express totally. Please say these emotions and express what you feel on the following. I am happy. I am angry. I am afraid. I am excited. I am interested. I am sad. I am disappointed. On the following emotions, you must insert because as you say the following emotions. For example, I am happy because I love chocolate. I am angry because some stranger bumps at me. I am afraid because I encountered a snake. I am excited because I am going to the acting workshop. I am interested because I want to learn something in the acting workshop. I am sad because my trip to Norway got postponed. I am disappointed because I expect more of the person I love. Try to use the following exercise of feel fully and express totally. Thank you for watching.